All right guys, I'm coming to you from our new house. So when I filmed the empty house tour, we did not yet know that we would be moving this soon. If you follow me on Instagram, I have it saved to my moving highlight tab. I think I talked about it on the vlog channel. Definitely recommend you follow us on the vlog channel. I'll link it right here for y'all. If you don't, that is where I'm sharing tons of moving vlogs, moving content, but it just happened suddenly that we got the confirmation that we could move in. So it's been a little bit of a whirlwind, but I promise this isn't gonna turn into only a home account or all that kind of stuff. But I did get some things from Target today, and so I wanted to share them with y'all. A good chunk of it is random things like this, and I have some like storage bins. But you know, when you're moving, it's just everything is moving. It's all your whole life, everything. So some of this is just cleaning stuff, but I am pretty particular about it, so I'll share that too randomly. And we'll start out with the boring stuff first. Trash bags. Never have too many trash bags. That's all the cute stuff. Hold on. This is hands down the best, like, power wash is the best stuff of all time. Like, why was I 28 years old when I started using this? It is a dream, and it gets everything clean. I did get more Dawn Easy Squeeze. This is just super easy to use, easy squeeze. So I really like the Dawn brand, in case you can't tell. Rinse Aid. This is my mom's favorite brand, actually. So for the dishwasher, so I wanted to get some of that. I think that's all for cleaning supplies. No, I do have some of these. Okay, if you have a child, let me tell you, my son loves to play with a toilet brush, which is disgusting. Like, that is the nastiest thing. So I got rid of it completely, and now I use the toilet wand, and then I just use these refills because they can be thrown away, and then you can disinfect the wand itself. So if you have kids, this actually might be an expense. You like, it's worth it, because I tell you, my son wants to play with nothing more than he wants to play with that. It's disgusting. Dishwasher detergent, because we do still have like dishes at our current house and all that stuff. And then I grabbed some paper plates. So that's all for the boring stuff. We'll now get into the fun stuff that I wanted to do a little impromptu haul of. So we are going from 2 sinks to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 sinks. So we don't have like near enough hand soap dispensers. And we actually noticed the other day that ours is really like old and just kind of dingy. So I wanted to get some new ones for this house, and Target had some really, really cute ones. So I got these that are clear with the gold. We really don't have a ton of gold in the house. We have a lot of black, but I could not find black ones that I liked. I wanted something that was glass because I like to be able to see when I need to refill my hand soap. So I wanted to get clear, and then I grabbed the gold, and I got 3 of these. So we'll have 1 for in here, and then these will be in our bathroom. And then the boys both have their own, and these don't like go with their theme per se, but I think they're so cute and little boyish, and I was like, you know what, it's fine. So it'll be a while till they're able to even like reach up and wash their hands, but it is something we want to start teaching very soon, and like, you know, holding them into the sink and teaching them to wash their hands. So I got these little, they're the dinosaur soap pumps with non-foaming liquid soap. So they make non-foaming liquid soap foam. So I got the little, they say Roar. So both of them will have these. And then we always are just like trying to keep up with Ezra's toothbrush and toothpaste. He likes to play with those as well. So I got a little cup to keep them in on his sink. So that's all for the boys' stuff. Oh, I did have to order them some curtain rods, no, shower curtain rods, because I'm pretty particular. The curved shower curtain rods make your shower feel bigger, and I wanted both of them to have like curved shower curtain rods. And then we have the baby's curtain itself, and I had to get Ezra one today. I can't find one that I like for him that matches his like moon and stars theme for Ezra, so I just went with white. But I ordered those on Amazon because Amazon didn't have those or the towel racks that Sam and I needed. But I did get some of these. So they are a rust resistant matte black finish curtain like shower ring, and I'm not even kidding, at our house, our shower rings fall off of our curved shower rod all the time. So I got some that have like full little, like it's fully enclosed. I've always wanted this. I've seen it so many times and I've never like had anywhere to put it. And now I have the room. So I got the little hearth and hand utensil holder because we have some utensils for our counter that we're gonna have out. So I needed to get some new kitchen towels as well. Ours have been through it. I think they're the ones from our original registry. They are old. So I got these, they're like 100% cotton, Threshold brand. There's 2 of them. And I think I grabbed like 2 or 3 different packs of them. I might have grabbed more. Oh, I grabbed 4 total, that's right. So I grabbed 2 different packs. 4 of these total. They're just like a creamy white, very simple, but we desperately needed some. And then this is actually the shower curtain that I got Ezra, very simple. Threshold brand, 100% cotton. It is just white. I really struggle. Girls, I feel like, have so many cute shower curtain like styles, and then boys just have like dinosaurs. And that's it. Everything's dinosaurs for boys. So it's fine, but I didn't want dinosaurs because Ezra is moon and stars, and then the baby is like a mountain theme, and we really easily found a mountain theme for the baby, but all the star stuff is like really girly. So I got a ton of these bins from Bright Room. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 of these. I have one of these forever as well because I want to organize everything, and we actually have the organization. So my thought for these is I'll put some in Ezra's floating shelves that he has in his bathroom, because the boys like towels and washcloths and stuff, they're just smaller than like our towels and washcloths, and I wanted something to kind of keep their stuff condensed, but I figured I could label these, and then like Ezra would have a bin and the baby would have a bin, and that way their stuff is just like together. And then I picked up 3 of them for Sam in my bathroom. We have 3 floating shelves on either side of our shower, and they're gonna be utilized for very practical reasons, but like they're also gonna have things on them that just like aren't cute. So I figured, like, you know, instead of a Tylenol bottle just sitting out, like it would be cuter if it was in something like this. So I got 5 of those bins. Next up, I wanted to get a outdoor like kind of accent rug thing. I'm 99% sure this is outdoor because it was with the outdoor stuff, but I wanted to get this to go under our current doormat. So it will go, like we have a double door now, so I needed something big. So this will go outside on our front porch under our current doormat, and I have a doormat. I'll link it for y'all. It is the best thing if you have a baby. You so need it. It says, "Baby is sleeping. Please don't ruin this for us." And it's just the best because I cannot tell you how many delivery drivers will like come up on the porch and like want to like bang on the door and ring the doorbell, and it's like the baby's sleeping and the dog will bark. So I got it from Home Depot, and I'm not even kidding. Now like they are quiet as a mouse when they see that doormat, which I'm so grateful for because my dog doesn't lose his mind. We also needed to get a very long bath rug. Sam and I did, because we have this long shower and our current bath mat is like teeny. So I got this huge one that's like 24 by 60 inches, and it is super duper fluffy. Like look at how fluffy that is. So really excited about that. And then I wanted to get Azure one as well. That was memory foam because we kneel down. So we do have a pad. I'll link that for y'all as well. It's, I can't remember the Skip Hop brand maybe. It's like a little kneeling pad for your knees when you give your kid a bath. It's a dream come true if you have old lady knees like I do, but this is still nice, and I did want something that was like gray. So gray and white kind of is like the thing for his bathroom. So we got the memory foam bath mat for him, and that is all for this super random and very quick haul. But I did just want to share kind of the stuff we got. Again, if you want to see like moving content, the house, all that stuff, as we decorate it, definitely follow our vlog channel. I'm trying to upload like 2 to 3 times a week over there. I love the vlog channel so much. So thank y'all for watching, and thank y'all so much for all the love on the last video that I shared. It's like, it's a dream come true. We still can't believe it. We are pinching ourselves constantly. We feel so blessed, and it's just like, we can't believe that it's over, and we can't believe that we also get to move in now. So I will be 36 weeks pregnant the weekend we move in, It's just enough time to hopefully get settled before this baby makes his debut. So thank y'all for watching. Don't forget to click the subscribe button if you're new here, and I will see you in the next video.